Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 403. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, in this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top. And to get rid of Add One, click on History at the bottom of both devices. Now you can decide if you want to personalize your ad experience by selecting one of those options. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TCL. Finally, on an Android device, use all of those categories available at the top. Select all of your files that you wish to transfer. And in last two categories, click on Allow. When you're ready, select Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon right next to Input key on TCL. Then click on While using the app in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key into Input key section. And then, to connect, tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!